Hey guys, welcome to Safi Mixed. In this video, I will let you know how to create CSV files. CSV files are in plain text format which stores data in a simplified form and can be transferred easily. You can generate CSV file in any text editor. For example, here I want to create a CSV file in Notepad. So I would like to create a file that contains both text and numerics, and I start from a text like this, comma, then a number, and then again a comma, and then another number. uh, these are arbitrary numbers and I add 19, but these numbers definitely carry some sort of information related to this guy Hamza, right? And you see here I'm entering comma. So in CSV file, a comma separates two columns. This is in fact a tabular form. So this represents one column, this represents another column, and similarly this another column in this. So this in fact is a data of four columns and is obviously a single row. So the important thing to know is that we separate columns through commas, and then we add rows by a breakup line by starting from another line. For example, here I add another name and then I add numerics of the form this. So now I have two rows and four columns, and let me complete. And then I add one more, then I add this. So this in fact is a square tabular form, four columns, four rows. And now in order to save this text file in the tabular, which is in a tabular form, into CSV file, what I do, I press Ctrl Shift S, and I then select all files, and then I change the I rewrite the name data.csv, and I hit the enter here. Now if I go back to the folder where I saved it, you see here is CSV file. If I double click this, I can directly open this with Excel, because here is an X form, and you see it is now in X in a tabular form. So this way you can save CSV file and a text file and can open that with Excel file. And thanks for watching Safi Mixed.